Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about Fortnite Ballistics. Fortnite Ballistics is a brand new mode that has been added to Fortnite recently. And in Fortnite Ballistics, you and three other players will team up against an opposing team in order to try to either plant a bomb or defuse a bomb. When it's your turn, then your team will try to find either point A or point B on the map and plant the bomb while the other team attempts to defend. You're going to want to plant the bomb and protect it until it goes off, or the opposing team can try to defuse the bomb and win the round that way. Another way that you can win a round is by eliminating the other team entirely. One of the things about Fortnite Ballistics that's a little bit different is it is in first person as opposed to the typical third person when it comes to Fortnite. And at the beginning of each round, you're going to have the opportunity to purchase weapons and gear that will help you gain the advantage over your opponents. So that gives you an idea of what to expect with Fortnite. It's a brand new mode, and if you haven't tried it out yet, if you are familiar with more team-based tactic types games, then this might be the mode for you. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.